experimenting with cookie dough today. So I have the bubble waffle pan. I have some dough in there, and I have the 8-inch nonstick executive skillet. I'm gonna put that in the oven for probably about 15-20 minutes. I'm just playing around. I got some cookie dough. I just wanted to kind of. I was really craving something sweet, but I'm like, all right, let me switch it up as opposed to just regular standard cookies. So I'm a peeker. Jay yells at me. I gotta flip it. Jay yells at me because I'm impatient when it comes to cooking. So we'll check back, let you know how it goes. It's smelling like cookies in here. Looking good. Chocolate chip cookie dough in the bubble waffle pan. Because as I mentioned, I'm impatient, so I dumped it out and it fell apart. But then it crisps up real quick. So I got these little like chocolate chip cookie dough bubbles. I know, I'm such a dork, but it's like the crumbs of it and it's so good. And then I have the skillet one in the oven. But, you know, cookies need to set. So really what I should do is when it's done, take it off the heat and let it sit for a minute before taking it out of the pan. But it still tastes good. And then this little surprise creation. Wait till you see what I got going on.